Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about money, specifically the Vietnamese Dong. Many people wonder if buying and holding the Vietnam Dong is a smart investment, and it's an interesting question, especially with Vietnam's growing economy, so let's dive in and explore this topic together. First, what exactly is the Vietnam Dong? It's the official currency of Vietnam, its symbol is VND, and you'll see denominations like 20,000 or even 500,000 Dong notes. When we talk about currency as an investment, we usually mean buying it hoping its value will go up against other currencies, like the US dollar or euro, which is called currency speculation. Now, is the VND a good option for this? Generally, most financial experts would say no, not in the way you might invest in stocks or real estate, and here's why. One major point is the exchange rate, because the State Bank of Vietnam carefully manages the Dong's value, and their goal is often stability, not rapid appreciation, meaning they try to keep the Dong's value relatively steady against major currencies, which limits the potential for big profits if you're just holding the currency, as you won't likely see huge gains from its exchange rate alone. Another factor is inflation. While Vietnam's economy is growing, inflation can still be a concern, and if the value of the Dong doesn't rise significantly, but prices within Vietnam do, your purchasing power could decrease over time. Think about liquidity too. It can be challenging to exchange large amounts of Dong outside of Vietnam, and the difference between buying and selling rates, known as the spread, can be quite wide, meaning you lose a percentage just in the exchange process, plus there are often transaction fees involved. Holding physical Dong cash doesn't earn you any interest either. Unlike a savings account or a bond, currency itself doesn't pay you for holding it, and if you believe in Vietnam's economic future, there are often more direct ways to invest. For example, some people look into Vietnamese stocks through ETFs, or even real estate, as these investments are directly tied to the country's economic performance. Simply holding the currency usually isn't the most effective strategy for capital growth, so while Vietnam is a fantastic country to visit and its economy is strong, treating its currency as a standalone investment for significant returns is generally not recommended, and it's important to differentiate between a strong economy and a currency that's a good speculative investment, because the two are not always the same. Thank you so much for watching and learning about the Vietnam Dong with me today. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, because your support helps this channel grow and allows us to create more content like this, and we really appreciate it.